teach you about covalent and ionic bonds. Let's get started. Science.
One example of ionic bonds are these two townhouse crackers. One side is pretzel and the other side is like a cracker. And one side is positive and one side is negative. If they're both on the negative side, they won't work. But if one side is negative and one side is positive, then they will. And they will combine.
Get your input. Supervisor.
Science. There's the one negative and the one positive ion. They will attract and form an ionic bond. Then they will attract all other bonds around them, creating an ionic crystal.
Science! In this demonstration, we will explain how covalent bonds work. So me and my colleague are both nucleuses, and this is our electron. That's our cloud, and it's just chilling. And so if we are very far apart, then we have our own, and it's chilling by itself, and we're all cool. But then if we start to get a little bit closer, then it kind of stays kind of trying to attract to one another, but it's still going to be ours. And once we get close enough, we're both fighting over each other's electrons. So they stay in the middle, and that's a covalent bond.
Science!
This is another example of the covalent bonds, in case you didn't get it the last time. I am the nucleus still, and this is my electron, and so I will be playing the part of both nucleuses in this demonstration. So I have my electron, and if one nucleus and electron is over here,
And the other is over here!
then they will not attract each other's electron. But if one is over here and the other is right here, it will start to attract. Not very much, but a little bit. It'll be kind of like moving in, you know. But if one is here and the other one is next to it here, they'll be fighting over that electron, man. Like, no. Thanks. Science. To draw the Lewis dot structure for CO2, first you need to write out all of the elements that are in this compound, which are 2 oxygen and 1 carbon. And so you need to find how many valent shells are in the outer shell. You know, he explained that later. So carbon has 4 and oxygen has 6, and so you need to draw little dots around these letters to make it connect, but it can only connect by like 1 dot, you get me? So if you draw 1 connecting them and then 1 up and down here, then see this carbon has 4, and then for the oxygen, if you draw 5 more, then it'll have 6 altogether with 1 connecting with carbon, and you do the same thing for the other one over here, and you have drawn a Lewis dot structure, I think. Science.
And those were examples of ionic and covalent bonds.
Thanks for watching.
Catch you later.
Got a blast.
simple.
In order to... Bye! Sorry you have to sit through the next presentation.
See you next time. We'll pull up the car